Well, YouTube Nation, eh, this is it. Let me tell you something. The 2023 track season is on in earnest. The World Championships is a little bit more than round the corner, but we have a humdinger on our hands when it comes to female sprinters. As I put it in the little notes here, Jamaica's embarrassment of riches is on show. Has been on show since the beginning of the year, and with a World Championship year, we need to make a selection. Who are the women who is going to be representing Jamaica, particularly in the sprints? Now we know that the doyen of the track, Lady Shelly Ann, and of course, Lady Elaine. Ladies Shelly Ann and Elaine, and of course Sherika. Those are sure picks. Well, because Shelly is the defending champion, her position is pretty much sure. So Jamaica will be looking at 4 places in the 100 meters. And man, may I tell you, if what we're seeing is anything to go by, you can't even blink your eye, because when you talk about sprint and wealth of talent, it is embarrassing, just the nature and the volume of talent that exists in Jamaica. We have seen the 60 meters run off, couple of track meets now, couple of international meets. We had the Camperdown Classic, the Grace Jackson, and then we had Gibson. And some athletes look like them all a duck, because Brianna Williams came out, on our season opener, if I remember correctly. That was the Camperdown Classic, where she put on a nice 7.22 seconds there for blaze through and basically throw down the gauntlet. Well, subsequent to that, some strong running start to take place, and we have seen where, well, Shelly not really put her at the ring yet. She open her season. Shelly a world champion multiple times over. So nobody no question that. Nobody no question Shelly's ability and none. Plus, she have a bye because she goes in to the World Championship as the defending champion. So we need to find 3 sprinters. Of course, Elaine, who has not had any meaningful success, if you will, at the World Championships, would be looking now to put on our marker, to try to take home a 100 meters title. I suspect this will be Shelley's last hurrah at the World Championships, and she may go on to the Paris Olympics. But time will tell, as the great man Bob Marley said. Time alone, time will tell. Brianna Williams, though, after she put on that 7:22, she was supposed to run at the Gibson relays, and I don't know if it's because the word was out that the Clayton sisters were going to be there among some of the other young guns, and at the very last minute, I think Kemba Nelson was supposed to be running at Gibson as well, and for whatever the reason, they never turn up at all. But the times are, if the times are any indication, one thing is clear: Tina Clayton ready. Tina Clayton is ready. Double world junior 100 meters champion, double. And, she was a member of the world record relay teams. Well, 3 world record relay teams. She did that in Kenya at the Carifta Games in Jamaica, where we, or idiot people them cause the time do not get ratified. And then she did that again down in the World Junior Championships in South America last year. So, you know, but this young lady has demonstrated that she made the right move. You know, only a man look on this track thing and say, boy, them like a young girl, a young boy, them a run a champs and thing, and them for go to school and finish up school. But when you have the kind of ability that them youngsters they have, why bother go back to school, go waste no time? You know? And I personally believe that the Clayton sisters made the right decision. In fact, all of these youngsters who have decided to go pursue a professional athletic career, I think they made the right decision. The best time to be putting everything out on the track is at the time when you can best afford it. And at this young age, 18 to 25, 26, those are going to be their peak years. And why go bother boy waste them years in a university for get a degree? I get a degree for somebody pay one like a 50 or $70,000 US a year when you can make multiple times that money. Even as a what you call a journeyman or journeywoman athlete, as long as you're in the top 3, top 5, you are going to be making some strong money. So my thing is, if athletics is where you figure is going to do it, go pro, right? When you're reaching your 30s, when your foot them now move so fast anymore, if you decide to go back to school, you would have had a nice little nest egg where you make out of the track and field thing. And you can put that aside now and go and read for a degree if you really think you need it. Look why Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt, you know, let's not go down the school thing, but it never bother with that. And look at where he is, you know. Granted, Shelley did the opposite, and Shelley now have a master's degree as well. But, you know, it's horses for courses, courses for horses. But one thing I can tell you, somebody are gonna get left out of a Jamaica team. You know, I know we're supposed to carry what between 6 or 8 to make the teams for the relays and what you call reserves and all them sort of things. So we might carry a full complement. But when look at the names what Jamaica have, you know, Shelley, Ilian, Sherika, those are the veterans. And then, of course, you have Kemba Nelson. You have Brianna Williams, who is a gold medalist, a relay gold medalist at the Olympic Games on the senior team. And Brianna is just about 20 years old. Then you have the young guns coming through, Brianna Liston, the two Claytons, Tia and Tina. Now remember, Tia run 7.05 over the 60 meters. Our sister literally fly the thing. 7.02, the best time for a Jamaican to date since the season started. And this is a youngster, just about 18. Breast milk still around on arm outside. So, you know, it just goes to show. And again, the cupboard, heavy. Natasha Morrison, 7.35. We you know, Sherika, a warm up. Sherika around the 100 now and look extremely promising. Remember, she's a silver medalist at the Olympic Games, last Olympic Games. So, you know, again, these are the top 3 we figure is gonna be there. Again, as we say, Shelley not really in the race there because she is an automatic qualifier. So Jamaica can find at the very least another 2 athletes to come in. Thing. So, you know, my money is from the young Clayton to upstage some of them the other seniors and make the world championship team. That is my money, right? Young Tina Clayton she's gonna go all the way. I believe that by the time Shelley and Ilian step away from the track, you know, they can be comfortable knowing that the cupboard heavily laden. You know, give me your views on this thing out. You guys want to think? I know I've been kind of preoccupied with some other things, so I haven't been posting regularly. But now that I'm reprieved of some of those other tasks, I am putting my hat in the ring. But let me get your feedback. What do you think about what we think? You know, who you think will be making this team to go to Hungary for the upcoming World Championships? If you have not yet done so, subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, hit the like button and share. You know, but more than love, forget your feedback in the comment section. What you think about what me think, and you know, which 4, which 6 you figure is gonna make this team to the World Championships, and who you figure are gonna get left out. Do you agree with me that probably Brianna Williams duck the competition at Gibson? Tell me what you think, right? I'm me, man, Mr. B. Respect.